Hey, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. So today we're going to do an unboxing video of the Audiocontrol X7 home theater processor. It's a 16-channel processor, 4U rack mount. Rack mount ears are sold separately. And on this video, what I'm basically going to do is just unbox it, show you the remote, manual, mic, and then at the end of the video I'll do a couple videos of the front of the panel and then the back panel with all the inputs and outputs. And then what we'll do in a later demo room video, I'll give you all the specific specs, features, and a rundown of how we have ours configured. Obviously we're unboxing it, so ours isn't even in the rack yet or configured. So I hope you like the video, and we'll go from here. Thank you. So alright, we got this thing completely unboxed. We got the rack mount ears on. We've got the remote and manual, everything set aside. And so what we'll do now is just do a quick video of the front and back of the units. We'll also power it up, do the same thing with the front so you can see the lights. And it is rack mounted in our equipment rack for the Theater Design Company demo room. And along with this X7, we also have 4 Savoy G4 amplifiers and 2 RS1000 amplifiers. These are running the Klipsch DTS system and a full Klipsch system for that room. And we'll do some more videos on all of our demo room and build out, as well as we'll do a deep dive into the Audiocontrol amp, the RS1000 subwoofer amps, and the X7, of course. Hope you enjoy the video and have a great evening.